312 deaths and spike of 14,933 new COVID-19 positive cases reported in India in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India stands at 4,40,215, including 1,78,014 active cases. 2,48,190 people have been discharged. 14,011 deaths have been reported so far. Karnataka reports 249 cases, taking the total tally to 9,399 cases on Monday. The state has 3,523 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have increased to 142, with 5 new deaths being reported on Monday. Bengaluru reports 126 new coronavirus cases and 3 deaths on Monday. Total number of cases in the city has climbed to 919. Death toll in Bengaluru has climbed to 67, so far highest in Karnataka. Lockdown in force in several areas of Bengaluru. Security heightened in Kalasipalya, Chickpet and Market area owing to the increase in number of cases. Mayor and BBMP officials visit spot and analyze the ground situation. Traffic restrictions too imposed in several areas of the city due to COVID-19 clusters. Medical infrastructure continues to creak in the city. COVID-19 patients complain of poor conditions and facilities at Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Chest Diseases, allege that they are not being given healthy food and treatment by the officials and doctors. Medical Education Minister Sudhakar's family members test positive. His mother, wife and daughter test positive after his father had tested positive on Monday. Sudhakar and his 2 sons have tested negative for COVID-19 and the minister took to Twitter to confirm this. Common man continues to bear the brunt as fuel prices have been hiked for the 17th consecutive day in India. Petrol prices have been hiked by 20 paise per litre, while diesel prices have been hiked by 55 paise per litre. Meanwhile, Congress Working Committee to meet today to discuss increase in fuel prices. Congress likely to stage nationwide protest against the centre and take a final decision after the meeting, even as leaders question Prime Minister Narendra Modi's stand on the rising fuel prices. Army Chief MM Narwane to visit forward posts in Ladakh amid growing tensions with China. Army Chief will also hold talks with commanders as they have been given a free hand to act according to the situation. And the number of COVID-19 cases around the world have crossed a grim milestone of 9 million mark, recording 90,74,624 cases. 4,71,640 people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic. 45,11,603 people have recovered from the deadly virus. US continues to remain the worst affected COVID-19 country with 23,10,786 cases.